Governor, obviously been lots of developments over the last few days with Greenland, including the prospect of a potential invasion and further trade disruption and trade wars. How concerned are you about what's going on there and more generally US political risk and its risks to the financial stability of our economy?
Well, I would say amongst the risks that we see, and as I'm sure you know, in the Financial Stability Report, I mean, we highlighted that the risks to financial stability increased across last year. I do think that geopolitical tensions and trade, particularly trade issues, are an important part of that. Now, that does not mean to say that I want to say that any particular issue is a trigger. But the level of geopolitical uncertainty and the level of geopolitical issues is obviously a big consideration because they can have financial stability consequences. I think, but let me put that into a bit of context though in two respects. One, having said that, growth in the world economy last year was a lot more stable than we thought it would be. We probably were having this conversation if you think back to last spring, say, almost not quite a year ago, but almost a year ago. Growth in the world economy and the stability of the world economy turned out to be rather better than we feared it would be. That's the first point. The second point is about financial markets, and it's a rather similar point, which is, I mean, it is the case that we worry, considerably about how markets can react to these things. Market reactions have actually been more muted than we would have feared and expected. But let me put the final thing I'll say overriding that is that having made both of those points, neither of them I take as a source of any assurance going forwards. We have to remain very alert to these things.